Do you want to find restricted accounts or friends on Instagram? You can view any restricted accounts on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To find restricted accounts or friends on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Now, tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner of your profile screen. A new screen appears. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section. Under this, find and tap on Restricted. Now, a list of all the accounts you've restricted will appear here. From here, you can remove any of your friends from the restriction by tapping Unrestrict next to their name.